ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all at David Styles Where Soul Meets Fashion, David underscore sisters, and embrace your uniqueness. So today we are here and hearing to Monday Aesthetics by David Styles, and I hope that there's something that you would be able to take away from this video, and there is something that would be along within you for the rest of this week and for the rest of for the days ahead. Okay, so let's go and let's see and let's hear what's in there today, and do feel free to comment down below all your ideas, all your feedbacks in the comment section below. Okay, so let's begin. And so today's topic is the art of trusting the unfamiliarity. Again, repeat is the art of trusting the unfamiliarity. Okay? And yes, beginning with yes, a big yes. Believing the unfamiliarity when we even imagine about such a thing. I believe we grow anxious even thinking of it, and 99% if given a chance to choose between familiar and the other becomes so obvious, we won't ask for such days or phases in our lives, because we know we need such days in this journey, because that awakens our shadowed perceptions, ideas, versions, and it's the way we would at the end be able to know more in deeper and get much better clarity about what our priorities, purposes, and get a broader, much clearer understanding, and paves ways to mend our ways, opening ways of opportunities without just being dependent, rather creating them. Ultimately, there's no loss, yet an achievement of bundle of everything required for a better version of our being. And here it comes to an end, which is where soul meets passion, and keep embracing your uniqueness. I hope this is something profound, a soft healing touch that heals your hearts, heals your lives, heals your phases. And if you're new over here at David Styles, I would just suggest you go ahead and follow our channel, which is David underscore sisters. We are there available at YouTube as well, which is from David underscore sisters, for such more Monday aesthetics, and we are there for 11-20 minutes with David Styles, and for more we are there releasing out the most fascinating and seasonal signature wears that you don't need to be sound in your words to be loud. You just need an outfit that you feel yourself first, and so that you be that the people out there get inspired effortlessly, okay, by your style. So that's it. So go ahead, you can scroll down our outfit, signature wear, seasonal wears, and if there is anything, do comment down below for further more shopping with us, and stay tuned for further more. And if there's anything, yeah, go ahead and comment down below for further any of your assistance. We are here. And if you like this video, go ahead and share with your friends and family. So stay tuned for further more with Monday Aesthetics and 11-20 minutes with David Styles. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.